Hello everyone, greetings to you all. This is the Cryptoprophet. Click on the subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, let's take a look at the charts. Alright guys, so I'm here to give you all this information in regards to the current state of the crypto markets. Now, it's been a while since the Cryptoprophet produced a video. For a couple of days now, I've not updated you all, so I thought it wise to come out and give you all my opinion in regards to the next direction of the markets, and also to point out certain parameters to you. This is a channel of the Cryptoprophets, and as you all know, if you've been following the Cryptoprophets, you would know that the Cryptoprophets is amongst the very best the whole world when it comes to cryptocurrency analysis. Not just cryptocurrency analysis, but the analysis of the whole financial markets. So you see, I'm here to give you all my opinion. Everything I've told you in the past has played out. I told you guys, I said Bitcoin was going to head to 110, 115, $120,000. I've been calling this from the beginning of the year 2025. I was amongst the very few persons online that told you that Bitcoin was going to these prices, and I've been so specific. I've been calling dates back to back, and everything I've told you has come to pass. I even told you guys when Israel attacked Iran and when Iran retaliated. That was in the month of June when the market was plummeting. I told you guys, I said watch out for a new all-time high for Bitcoin and for the S&P 500. I told you guys, I said out of experience, I've always seen similar patterns like this, so this is not going to be an exception. And as many persons who heeded to my word, they made money and they caught that move. So right now guys, I'm here to give you all an update in regards to the current market states. So now currently Bitcoin is in a falling wedge, and guys, if I must say this is a very strong bullish formation. This is a falling wedge guys, and Bitcoin has been in this pattern for some days now. So this is the news that I want to inform you all. As many of you watching this video, get set, get prepared. $130,000 worth of Bitcoin is coming. You're hearing this from the Cryptoprophets. I don't miss in my prophecies. You should know me by now. If you're following me, you should know that the Cryptoprophet does not miss in his prophecies. $130,000 worth of Bitcoin is coming. I don't care whatever anybody says or whatever anybody thinks. As a matter of fact, I don't even need your opinion, because your opinion has never counted from the very onset. I have always been specific in my words. Go check my track record. If you're following me for the first time, go check my track record over the years. I hardly miss in my prophecies. So I'm here to tell you all that Bitcoin is getting set for $130,000. You're going to see this happen. You're going to see it happen. And this is why you need to be in the channel of the Cryptoprophet. Send an email, tradingexploit7@gmail.com. Check the descriptive part of this video. You're going to find an email there. Send an email and you'll be responded to on how to get into the channel of the Cryptoprophet and benefit from the knowledge of the Cryptoprophets. So I want to say this guys. Now can you see this line? Look at this line. Now Bitcoin has always found support perfectly on this line. Okay, I don't need to tell you, but this line was developed by me. So now currently where this line is resting, it's resting at this point, at this base, and this is a falling wedge. So just in case you see Bitcoin drop in price and you see it coming down to this point, don't panic. This is going to be a very good area of support. And what is this price? Between 15 to 14 to 12, between 12, 13, 14, $15,000. If you see Bitcoin drop to those range or to those price targets, buy more of Bitcoin. But for now, I would still advise you to still buy more of Bitcoin. Even if you see it drop, buy more, because $130,000 is coming. Then for Ethereum, I'm not going to tell you the price. Listen, it's not everything I come out right now to say to the general public. Just like I told you all, I said I will stop calling dates and time in the general public. I only do this in my channels because people who pay for this information should have it. If I'm coming out to share all these informations in the public, I'm not doing anybody good, because the people who have paid for it, what are they paying for? So some of these things needs to be reserved. So this is why I have stopped giving very specific informations like I used to do in the past, because these are not things that you find easily. I know the exact dates that this move is going to kickstart, and I've informed the premium members, I've informed them, I've told them what is coming. So if you want to be in the channel of the Cryptoprophet, send an email, tradingexploits7@gmail.com. Check the descriptive part of this video. You're going to find the email there. Send an email. So I'll be sharing with you the next chart. I'll be sharing with you two charts. The next chart I'll be sharing with you is also going to validate this first one. Then I will be entering into the stock market, which is the S&P 500, and then we call it a day for this video. So let's head on straight into the next charts. Take a look at the chart in front of you. Now this chart is the inverse of Bitcoin, and just like I told you all, I said I am expecting Bitcoin to get to higher prices. Okay, so now guys, where are we likely gonna get a bounce for Bitcoin? I believe we're going to get a bounce for Bitcoin at this point. But if we have a breakout from here, then I know definitely that once we get to this region, we're going to face a strong resistance in this region. So now the reason why I'm saying this is because if you take a look at this chart, you would see that we seem to be having resistance anytime we hit this line. Okay, let's change the color. Let's change this to white. So guys, anytime we hit this white line, we always find some form of resistance and we plummet down. Now a very good example was here. We hit it, we plummeted down, came up again, hit it again, plummeted down, came up here, hit it, plummeted down. Now we are hitting it again. But just in case we break this resistance and we start coming up, this is going to bring the price of Bitcoin down to those levels that I told you. Okay, and once we get to this point here, definitely we're going to have a resistance. So in other words, or in conclusion, I am advising each and every person who is watching this video right now, if you're interested, invest into Bitcoin. And if you see Bitcoin drop below these prices, you see it drop down to 15, 14, or 13 or $12,000, take it as an opportunity, because there is a strong move coming for Bitcoin. I'm telling you this, there's a strong move coming for Bitcoin, so you need to be prepared. So let's get to the last part of this video and we can call it a day. This is the S&P 500. This is the stock markets, and I want to reveal something very important. Now, if you check YouTube, if you check the whole of YouTube, if you make your research, you're going to notice something. A lot of traders and professionals, they all seem to be calling for the crash of the stock markets. Mostly those traders that are into Wall Street and the indices and the commodities and the S&P 500, and they seem to be all calling for the fall of the stock markets. Only a few traders disagree with that. And I, the crypto prophets, I happen to be amongst those traders that disagrees that the S&P 500 is about dropping. Now, why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I have seen it that the stock market is as strong can be. Did you hear what I said? I said the stock market, which is the S&P 500, is as strong can be. Now, I don't think the S&P 500 is going to drop anytime soon. I think the S&P 500 is going to pump more and attain a brand new all-time high again. Mind you, I prophesied about this move and I told you guys that I see the stock market having a new all-time high. I prophesied about all this. Go watch my previous videos. I said it. And today, the stock market has had a brand new all-time high. So I am still of the opinion that the S&P 500 is still going to produce a brand new all-time high. So this is what is going to make Bitcoin to also attain a new all-time high. Bitcoin is not stopping. It is still going to pump and create a new all-time high, just like the S&P 500. So I don't know what people out there are saying, but you've got to be prepared. And I know the dates these rallies are going to end. Mind you guys, listen, this is me, the Crypto Prophets. If you've been following me for a long time, you should have noticed that I hardly miss in my prophecies. I hardly miss in my prophecies. So what I'm telling you right now is definitely going to play out. So I am telling you right now to be prepared. There's a brand new all-time high coming for the stock market. The stock market is not crashing anytime soon. Unless I, the Crypto Prophet, comes out to give that warning. But even if I don't come out to give that warning, I would give the warning in my premium. So this is why you need to be in my premium. Send an email, tradingexploit7@gmail.com. The reason why I'm giving this information is because I want to help as many of you that are confused. Because some of you have seen the markets plummeting, you've seen the crypto space dropping, you're down in some tokens and you're scared. But I'm coming out to tell you that there is a new all-time high coming. The same way I warned you and I told you that you should not look at the drop that happened when Iran and Israel were having a conflict some weeks ago. I told you rather you should watch out for brand new all-time highs. And you saw my words play out. That's the same way I'm also telling you that you should watch out for a new all-time high. These markets are not yet done with their rallies. I am the Crypto Prophets. So if you do not take what I've told you, you're going to regret at the end of the day. So what should you be doing right now? What should you be doing right now? You should strive to make sure that you get into these markets. That is what I have to tell you. So that will be all for now, guys. Thank you so much. I remain the Crypto Prophet. God bless you all. See you in my next video. Thank you.